two of our projects. The first one is a retrofit project. Retrofit project was the Weld Tower and the Weld Shopping Centre. What we did in this project is there was a major chiller replacement program, where we actually had the opportunity to combine the plant, and by using innovative solution to achieve energy savings. So the second project, the LCDA Tower, actually is in Kuching. Also uses an innovative equipment, the inverter water cool package units, which is actually energy efficient. That is why it also got recognition for energy efficiency. So basically, one of the things that we have learned from this the Weld Tower is that no buildings are the same. So basically, whenever we had the opportunity to actually retrofit the building, we had to custom make a lot. The retrofit market in Malaysia is still large. There are a lot of opportunities. So instead of just changing equipment one for one, there are opportunities to actually improvise. So if every building do their part, get the studies right, and find the right equipment. There's no find the right combination and the right way to do it, the innovative way to do it. So basically, there was the services that we provided for these projects. So the LCDA project was a new building, and the Weld was a retrofit building. So the retrofit one, we went in and proposed the energy efficiency retrofit solution. So basically, our setup is actually we are a consulting firm, which also specialize in energy green design, energy efficiency design. I think we are excited because for many years we have this tradition in our company. We like to do things innovatively, and we are happy that although these are not the first time we got award, but this year is special because out of the 3 projects we won 4 NEA, and we also got 3 ASEAN Energy Awards. So we feel proud that we can do something for the country. The impact of having won the National Energy Award is some of the feedbacks we got from our clients and our friends in the industry is that even a normal building, let's say for example the Weld Tower that we actually did, it was a normal building, round-of-the-mill building. It was not a special or signature or a landmark type of building, but actually if we do it right, we can actually apply exemplary measures to achieve award-winning solutions. ASEAN Energy Award, in the regional wise, it actually gives an exposure. Maybe from investor point of view, they will know that we are on track. We are up to date in terms of energy efficiency policies. I think it's a good thing. And of course, this whole event, including this NEA and everything, was because of this pandemic. It has the effect and the impact has not yet to be seen in a way. So, but I think generally the entire process of this competition, the recognition, I think it moves towards a good direction for the industry and the whole country and the region as well. Yeah. Sustainable and energy efficiency is going to be a norm. So today we are pushing the limits. The world, we are talking about zero energy buildings. So basically, this direction is that we hope that this type of event and National Energy Awards, all this award and recognition actually will spur the grassroots. That means the normal engineer on the road, even students, the young engineers, they will be encouraged. They will be encouraged to actually put more into their effort. And then, of course, I think in one way, it also shows that our industry, our local industry, is actually advanced in this manner. That the projects that actually won NEA also won ASEAN Energy Award. So we have came very far, and this is one thing that we can continue to move on. Yeah.